Morning all, hope you're all keeping safe and well and enjoying the hot day that's promised today. Glad I've actually booked today off work and it's promised to hit the 30s here in the UK today, so I picked a good day not to work, but I am working tomorrow and Sunday, so I thought I'll quickly share this as I won't have time over the weekend. I've made it's another design team project for Artymaze using her Vintage Days kit, which I will list below. And I've fallen in love with this kit so much. This is the second journal I've made using it, and I've got another one sort of started. I've just absolutely love this kit, and I watched Andrea's flip through of her completed journal last night, and if you've not watched it, please do. It's absolutely beautiful. This one I tried to do a little bit different. I've made what do they call them, slender journals, or I prefer to call them more of an accordion journal, because I don't think they're that slender, and they're from the original slender idea from the Somerset Studio Slender Journal. But I've recently also watched Susie, Cafe Girl and Pramita do these, and I just love them. These I think are my new favourite type of journals, because you can just get so much in them in a allegedly smaller space. This one measures 8¼ by 4, and it's sort of similar to a traveller's notebook style. It's got 5 signatures with five, I think 25, yeah, I think 125 pages. I haven't over embellished them because I like these journals for writing, but you can sort of over embellish them yourself, or you can take out whatever's in them. So they are very, you can use them really as I'm trying to say is as a writing journal, or if you'd rather keep it more of a keepsake journal, you can do both with these. The front is a very simple, just a coffee stained piece of calico, which I just put a button on just to keep it closed. It's just show it you from the side. It is quite chunky. I had to sort of stop. I tried. My intentions was to keep this simple for writing, and it's sort of gone a bit more chunky than what I'd envisioned. But never mind. The front, I've just used one of these beautiful little girls from the kit. I've just done a little bit of collage with these paper. I love this red, so I tried to incorporate quite a lot of it in this journal. I've used, like I said, Vintage Days digitals, and I've used, I think, Artymaze tickets as well, and some of these like little postage stamps are all from the Artymaze. These are right. They're hard to explain, these journals. They are, like I said, accordion style, so I'll sort of guide you through it best I can. Just checking them in frame. Yeah, I think so. Right, the front cover, I've just put in this little envelope. Once again, just done a little bit of collaging. Oh, watch me knot this string. I'll just slide it off because I know I'm going to get it into a knot. I've just put in a few journaling cards and tags. I've just left these tags plain. I thought they might be quite fun to sort of just do them up yourself and make your own tags with them. I've put a few, these are all from the kit and the tickets. Oh, all fingers and thumbs. So I've just put a few of them in, so you can sort of add to it yourself. I think this is one of my favourite pages. I just love this little girl, and I love the colours of this kit. It's very grungy and it just looks old, and I love that. Just put in a few ruffles here and there, some big book paper. Just left that double tag for journaling. Just got a little pocket here where I've just put a couple of journaling cards in. It is for sale, this journal. I probably won't list it in my Etsy shop till maybe Monday, but if anyone wants it in the meantime, just PM me, mainly from via one of the Facebook groups, Junk Journals Junkies, Artymaze and Friends, I'm on most of them, so, or you can get in touch with me via Instagram. I am trying to avoid Etsy at the moment, so that sort of will be a last resort. Yeah, but I do have a Facebook page, but it's a personal one. I have had a few friends requests really, and I know they're probably journal people, but I don't really put my journals on. Facebook for me is just a bit of rubbish, bit of laugh, bit of not a lot really. I have got a Facebook page called Bohemian Rhapsody GB, but in all honesty, I tend to not use that much, and I also forget about it, and I just can't really be bothered with Facebook. So you say you can get in touch with me from there by Messenger, or like I said, Instagram, or any of them. Centre of the first signature, just some plain writing paper. Like I said, I've tried to keep them quite plain for writing, leaving them really free for the recipient to embellish themselves. So that's the first signature. I'm trying to explain the accordion part of it. Then you flip it over, and it's the start of the second signature. Here I've just got a little Tim Holtz die cut, which, thank you Tina, she cut me a load out recently. I'm really, really grateful, because I love these. All the papers now are from the... I've got the name of the kit already. Vintage Days. I haven't had my breakfast yet, so bear with me. Just a little snippet here with some buttons and a bit of lace trim on. Tag, journaling card, little tuck spot. So plenty of space for it. I've just made a little fabric tag here with a little cameo. Two little tickets with a journaling card and another little tiny journaling card on. That's now the end of the second signature. This is the beginning of the third, which I've sort of left here so people can sort of write or do whatever you want with it. Just another little fabric ruffle with a bit of lace, butterfly button, and another little blue button. Just a little handmade tag. I've used, like I said, all the these little pictures of ladies are from the kit. Back, I've just done another little tuck spot. Put a few cards, pictures, whatever you prefer. Here I've just done a little belly band with a little bit of fabric ticking and a button. Don't think I'm in frame here, am I? I think you're all used to my rubbishy filming by now. Just done an altered, what are these called now? Inventory tag. Not really with it at all today, am I? Just put another few tickets and another journaling tag with it. God, I'll get there eventually. Oh, the sun's coming out already and it's feeling warm, so I'm hoping to get out in the garden today and do some work, or do some relaxing with a gin and tonic, whatever comes. That's the end of the third signature. Now that's the end of one side. Then when you turn it over onto this side, which is the back, I'll be there in a minute. Oh, what was it? Right, the back I've just done a guest check where I've just put a little bit of collage on, a few tickets, and I've just made a little tuck spot here with some tickets, and all these are actually from the kit, the collage papers, a little bit of lace. Now this goes into the other side of the journal, which put a little belly band in with a tag. Done a little bit of collage here on the belly band. I've collaged quite a few papers on this side because I just tried to work on my collage at the moment. I'm really getting into like playing with papers, and watching Andrea's sort of influenced me quite a lot. Love that picture of a little girl. That's a lovely page as well as this. This is, I think, the fourth signature we're on to now. Yeah. A little fabric snippet here, some French book paper. Just got a little pocket where I've just put a few journaling cards and some little photos. Just love all these, it's gorgeous. That little face, it's beautiful. Centre of this fourth signature, another little ticket where I just shoved in a couple more journaling cards. Here I've just done a little collage up of, I think this was just a picture out of my stash. I don't think it is from the kit. And I've just put in a little tuck spot here with some tickets, some little books. There's a little writing book there. Once again, I've tried to incorporate this red, but I just love that. Could do a journal with just that. And another little collaged lady. I think these pictures are off Pinterest. Just put a little bit of tatting, bit of trim, doily, usual stuff using collaging. Another little snippet with a little embellished thing on it. Don't ask me what it's called because my mind's blank today. Little fabric pocket with a couple of journaling cards in. Just some spare writing paper. Another little snippet, 2 buttons on, a bit of tatting. Coming to the end of it now. I've just left these 2 pages as they were, but then when you fold it over, you're back to the beginning, and they do seem a little bit confusing. So you basically have three signatures on one side of the journal and 2 signatures on the other side, which makes a total of 5. That's the best way I can describe them. Like I said, it is for sale if anybody's interested. So I'm going to leave you now and get out into the garden. Oh, and for those asking me about the area where I live, yeah, we are back in lockdown in Greater Manchester, which is the most mind-boggling lockdown laws I've ever heard. I'm now not allowed to have any of my family in my garden, even if we're socially distant apart, or a friend. But yeah, we can all go to the pub, to the bars, where it's all heaving with strangers and nobody's really social distancing. But I'm basically keeping out of everything. I'm just really staying at home, going shopping, not doing a lot else, and crafting and enjoying some quiet time, I guess, till hopefully one day the world's back to normal. Anyway, thanks everybody for asking how I've been. Take care, talk soon. Bye.